am an old man. I am an old man devoid of care and respect. My children, my careless children, apathetic of loving me, yet have kept me to boast of their kind hearts. I am haunted, not by my state, but looking at them how bored. I am an old man, I am literature. From Canterbury to King Lear, I was respected by Chaucer, Keats, Sylvia and Shakespeare. How bright were the days, how serene the nights. I giggled in the lap of Manto and relished the moments with Blake. I remember I was the crown on the head of Ghalib, Iqbal, Mir and John. Thank you. I was loud like an infant. I was literature. Oh, the self-proclaimed Wordsworth, Shakespeare's, Johns and Ghalibs. I am literature. Mighty enough to launch 1,000 ships. Mighty enough to destroy Macbeth and Faustus. Melodious enough to be music to your ears. You are but a speck of dust against my legacy. I am a powerful young man. I am literature. Thank you very much.